Arizona, the Grand Canyon State, land of scorching deserts, towering saguaros, and, well, the unexpected. What if I told you that beyond the postcards and the familiar landscapes, Arizona harbors secrets that would challenge everything you thought you knew about it? What if I told you Arizona has a hidden waterfall cascading inside a cave, a neon blue river snaking through the desert like something out of a science fiction film, and an actual ghost town where you can, believe it or not, legally loot abandoned buildings? We're not talking about your average tourist traps here. We're talking about the bizarre, the unexplained, the downright weird corners of a state that continues to surprise even its own residents. So buckle up, because we're about to ditch the well-trodden paths and venture into the unknown. Stick around. We're going deep into America's weirdest state. Prepare to have your perception of Arizona completely transformed. All right, adventurer, let's dive right in, shall we? We're kicking things off with a location so shrouded in mystery, so cleverly concealed by the Arizona landscape, that even the all-knowing algorithms of Google Maps struggle to pinpoint its exact location. First up, this place is so hidden, Google Maps gets it wrong. That's right, folks. We're talking about a place that defies digital mapping, a true hidden gem that requires a bit of old-fashioned exploration and maybe just a touch of luck to discover. Get ready to ditch the GPS and embrace the thrill of the unknown, because finding this first location is half the adventure. Listen up, adventurers. Are you ready to ditch the ordinary and dive into the extraordinary? Everyone does the same basic Arizona trip: Grand Canyon, Sedona, maybe Antelope Canyon if they're wild. But let's be honest, those places are packed. Today, I'm showing you 10 places that'll not only make your Instagram explode with envy-inducing content, but also leave your wallet intact. We're talking hidden gems, secret spots, and unforgettable experiences that most tourists completely miss. Forget the crowded viewpoints and overpriced souvenirs. We're going off the beaten path, exploring the real Arizona, the one that whispers stories of ancient landscapes and vibrant cultures. Get ready to discover a side of the state you never knew existed. We're talking breathtaking vistas without the hordes of selfie stick-wielding tourists, authentic local experiences that will connect you to the heart of Arizona, and adventures that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an epic journey through the hidden wonders of Arizona. Let's ride. Meet Havasu Falls, the Caribbean of the desert. Most people pay $300 plus for tours, but here's the local secret. Camp at Hualapai Hilltop for $17/night and hike in at sunrise to have it all to yourself. The Waves permit lottery is nearly impossible to win, but 20 minutes away lies this identical formation with 0 permits needed. Shoot at 3 p.m. when the shadows create 3D illusions. Picture this: a forgotten mining town straight out of the 1800s, where the echoes of prospectors and pioneers still linger in the air. It's a place where time seems to have stood still, leaving behind a treasure trove of relics and remnants from a bygone era. But here's the kicker. This ghost town operates under a wild, almost unbelievable law. Anything left outside is fair game, absolutely free for the taking. Can you believe it? It's like a giant open-air antique store where the price is always right. On my very first foray into this historical haven, I stumbled upon a genuine 1920s whiskey bottle. Its label faded, but its allure undeniable. After carefully examining it, I decided to take it. And the price I paid for this piece of history? Wait for it. A grand total of $0, absolutely free. But before you rush out there with visions of free treasures dancing in your head, a word of caution. This town isn't just filled with history, it's also filled with dust. Serious, sneeze-inducing dust. It's the kind of dust that's been accumulating for over a century, stirred up by the desert winds and the footsteps of long-gone residents. So take my advice and wear a mask. Trust me, you'll thank me later. The ghosts of miners and settlers may have moved on, but they've left behind more than just dusty buildings and forgotten dreams. They've also left behind some serious dust bunnies, the kind that could trigger an epic sneezing fit. So come prepared to explore, to discover, and to maybe even snag a free souvenir. Just remember to protect yourself from the airborne remnants of the past. This ghost town is a unique blend of history, mystery, and, well, dust. It's a place where you can step back in time, imagine the lives of those who came before, and maybe even find a little piece of the past to take home with you. Just be sure to bring your allergy medicine. Hold up, before we continue, smash that like button right now. Why? Because YouTube's algorithm is watching, and spots 4, 10 get even crazier. Deep in the Sonoran Desert lies a top-secret lab studying alien viruses, and you can legally storm the gates. Just don't touch the scorpions. Boom! Now you're ready to out-adventure every basic tourist. Drop a comment with which spot blew your mind, and subscribe because next week, we're breaking into an abandoned Disney park.